In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order from Alibaba. If you're new to global sourcing, don't worry, we'll walk through a simple, safe way to start an order and make sure you know what to look for along the way. First, open your browser and go to Alibaba.com. You can do this on desktop or mobile. Make sure you're on the official site and, if you have an account, sign in so your details save automatically. Next, in the search bar, type the item you want. Use clear keywords like stainless steel water bottle 500 ml Somil and include any key specs such as material, size, or certification. Precise terms help you find the right factories faster. Now click search to see the results. Here's a quick tip. Use the filters to narrow things down. You can filter for trade assurance, verified supplier, minimum order quantity, and ready to ship items. This step can save you time and surface reliable options. From the results, click the product that best fits your needs. On the product page, review the photos, detailed description, available variations, and the price range. Pay attention to the minimum order quantity and the lead time, which is how long production and handling will take before dispatch. Check the supplier's profile, ratings, and response rate for additional confidence. On the same page, enter the quantity you want. As you adjust the quantity, you may see the unit to price change because many listings offer tiered pricing. If your quantity is below the minimum order, consider asking the supplier if they can accommodate a trial order, but remember that pricing may be higher. When you're ready, click Start Order. This opens the order form so you can confirm the exact variant, color, size, or plug type if applicable. Make sure everything in the summary matches what you intend to buy to avoid delays. Finally, fill out the shipping address carefully. Enter the full legal recipient name, a complete street address, the correct postal code, city, state or region, and country. Small typos can lead to delivery issues, so double check each line. If you're shipping to a business address with a receiving dock or special hours, include those notes. Your address also determines available shipping options and estimated costs, and it's used for customs paperwork in many countries. That's it. You've navigated the search, selected a product, set your quantity, started the order, and added your shipping details. Pause here, review your information one more time, and you're well on your way to a smooth purchase.